Hey, Rob Travels with Dottie, and I have kind of a special video today on a business that I think they've gone above and beyond, and I want to give them some recognition. The business name is Tireworks, and they're in Pahrump, and I have 3 stories about them. The first one was the first year I was here. I had a friend that needed all her tires replaced on her RV, so I suggested that we go there. We went there together, and they treated her so well. And what they charged her, I went online to check to see, if it was comparable, and they gave her a really good price. They did a really good job, and it's been 2 years, and she's very happy with them. Then the next year, I had a friend that had a flat tire and was on a very restricted income, and she went there to have the tire repaired, and they repaired her tire. They didn't charge her. I was just stunned. I guess it was a very easy repair, but they didn't have to give it to her for free. That is for sure. Then this year, if you saw my last video, one of the things that I did was I needed to take my vehicle in. It's got almost 50,000 miles. It definitely needed an oil change, and I wanted everything checked out. And when you take a vehicle into a mechanic and you say you want everything checked out, they find stuff. So I was ready to, I was ready for a brake job. I was ready for anything. And I dropped the car off this afternoon. They sent me a report on the car by email, and I'm like, I clicked the link, I held my breath, and it came up, and it basically listed all the things that they checked. It was quite lengthy, and they said there are only 2 things, and one of them was a engine light that I already knew about, that's an existing issue that I don't need to worry about, and the other one was you have a dirty air filter, and we need to change that out. And they included a photograph of the old filter. So I of course called them and said, please do the filter. They had to get a filter from the local auto parts store, and they called me to come get it. And I asked for synthetic oil, which is the most expensive oil that you can buy. And let me read you what they charged me. Preventative maintenance inspection, $0. The synthetic 5W30 oil, $59.94. 4 tire rotation, no charge. Oil filter, no charge. Engine air filter, $21.99. No labor. I'm just stunned. They just charged me $80.97. And I'm about to call them and tell them, did you really mean to do this? Because you didn't charge me labor. You didn't charge me for the service. I'm just stunned at the deal they gave me. So I thought I would share that with you, and a tremendous place to go get your car worked on or to buy tires for your car at Pahrump. Thanks for listening. Take care.